So previously we looked at two main tools or the concepts related to project planning, and we talked about the WBS and the Gantt chart. Here in this section, we will be looking at few project management tools. Remember that a Six Sigma project is just like any project which has a starting point and the ending point. The project needs to be completed within that period with the limited resources. So that's the definition of any project. Any project needs to be managed, and for that there are various tools available. So in this section, I will be introducing these 5 project management tools. So at this level of yellow belt, you need to have an overall view of these basic tools, and these tools which we are covering here are activity network diagrams, affinity diagrams, matrix charts, relations charts, and the tree diagrams. Let's go through each of these one by one, starting with activity network diagrams on the next slide.